Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're looking at UltraSearch. It's this tool claims to make finding files on Windows just instant, like really fast.
Yeah, the claim is pretty bold. So our job today is figuring out how it pulls off that speed.
Hmm.
The kind that makes standard Windows search feel like it's wading through treacle. And crucially, what do you give up for that speed? What are the trade-offs?
Exactly. Because the promise is wild. You type a few letters and the files just pop up instantly. It makes you wonder how. What's the trick? No waiting for that little search bar to finish thinking.
Well, it's clever. It basically cuts in line. Normal Windows search, it spends time building an index, runs in the background, uses resources, causes that lag.
Right, the indexing thing. Always running.
UltraSearch just skips that, completely skips it. Talks directly to the drive's master file table, the MFT.
Okay, hold on. The MFT, what exactly is that for someone listening? Is that safe?
Oh yeah, totally safe. Think of the MFT as the drive's own private directory, like the official table of contents that the file system itself, NTFS, specifically uses to know where every file is. UltraSearch just reads that.
Ah, okay. So it's not building a new index, it's reading the one that's already built in.
Precisely. Which means, and this is key, almost zero background activity.
Mm.
It doesn't bog down your system, constantly trying to keep an index up to date.
That's a huge point. Low system impact. Okay, so it's fast, it's light, but is it just about speed or does it have other tricks? The sources called it a power tool.
It does. Beyond just simple name matching, you can get quite fancy. You can use wildcards, asterisks and question marks,
Yeah?
and even full regular expressions for really complex pattern matching. Plus, you can filter by size, dates,
Yeah.
the usual suspects.
So quite flexible for finding things if you know what you're looking for structure-wise.
There's a portable version. That's pretty handy. You can just stick it on a USB drive, run it anywhere without installing it. Really useful.
Okay. Instant speed, clever MFT trick, low resources, advanced filters, portable. Sounds amazing. So what's the catch? There's always a catch with this level of performance.
There is. And it's tied directly to that MST trick, that blazing speed. It really only works fully on modern NTFS drives.
Ah.
If you're searching on older formats, like maybe an old USB stick formatted with FAT32 or XFET,
Hmm.
the speed advantage, well, it kind of disappears. It still works, but it's much slower.
Okay, so file system matters. That's one limitation. What else?
The big one. Remember how it reads a table of contents, the MFT?
Yeah, file names and locations.
Right. It reads the names. It does not read the content inside the files. So if you need to find a document, because you remember a specific phrase inside it, UltraSearch, it can't help you there. It's purely name-based searching.
Got it. So it's a super fast directory lookup, not a content indexer. That's a major difference from Windows Search or, other tools.
Exactly. And one minor point the sources mention, the interface. It works fine. It's functional, but don't expect anything flashy. It looks a bit old school. Yeah, old school. Gets the job done, but is not winning any design awards. Very utilitarian.
Okay, so let's synthesize this. If your main goal, day-to-day, is finding files super quickly based on their name, or maybe size or date modified.
Then UltraSearch delivers. Big time. It does exactly what it says on the tin. For that specific task, that raw speed, it's actually kind of perfect in its simplicity.
So the question for you, the listener, really becomes, how do you search? Is name finding enough most of the time?
Right. It's definitely faster than Windows search for names, but you need to weigh that against whether you ever need to search inside files. If you rely on content search, this isn't a replacement.
Which leads to the final thought, maybe. The sources seem to suggest it's not necessarily an either. Perhaps UltraSearch is a great additional tool.
Exactly. Maybe you use this for those instant name lookups and keep Windows search or another tool around for when you need that deeper content level searching. It's about having the right tool for the specific job, balancing that need for speed with the need for, well, comprehensive search.